So what about those who've got nothing to sell and they're looking at a side hustle as, let me try and balance?
Okay, so those who've got nothing to sell,
Or maybe tell me why you don't believe in side hustles.
Okay, so here's the issue. The reason why I don't believe in side hustles is because, side hustles make people to become less focused at what's important. And I'm going to say this. Side hustles were developed by the concept of multiple streams of income. Yes. And this is why I'm going to say, like, for me, I think I'm going to be honest, Swiland. Side hustles are not really entirely bad in themselves. I want to put this on record. If you're able to do your job, right, and then do a side hustle, well and good. But if you are somebody who wants to make a meaningful impact, don't treat what you are doing as a side hustle. For me, I have one principle, and it's either I do it or I don't. I'm not going to go half. I don't do that. It's either I go all in or I don't.
So for you, if someone is employed and they want to become entrepreneurs, they should first quit their job?
No.
Then how do they become entrepreneurs?
They should treat both ventures as important. Your job is actually a business as well. You understand?
Uh-huh.
It's a business. There's somebody who's put money into that job who is paying. It's a business. So also your job is a business. When you're at work, it's what people make a mistake when they think a job is just a job. No, a job is a business. It gives you a profit in form of a salary at the end of the month. If you perform badly, you'll be fired. So you do whatever you can to upgrade. You get a degree, master's degree, whatever it is, because it's a business. You're trying to make sure that business succeeds. Have you seen? Mm-hmm. So when you start to do other things, the biggest mistake is to quit your job to go and start a business. You cannot quit what is working for what is possible. That's not smart. So you can begin, like you are saying, begin to build a business. Don't create a side hustle.
Because so you have, okay, good. Let me get it clear. So the only problem you have is calling it a side hustle.
Yes. Do you know what it does? Psychologically, it makes you relaxed because don't give us the attention it needs. A side hustle is the idea of multiple streams of incomes. So you won't give it the attention that it really needs because it's just a side hustle. You get? But if you treat it as an actual business, something that is serious, you give it the same respect you give the job that you go to.
Okay. Now I get your point.
You understand? So it is possible to be in employment and to be a very successful business person. It's very possible. You've shown us what is possible, Swelanji. You are in employment, but also you are doing very well on this other side. It's possible. We don't know the stress you go through. Have you seen? We don't know whatever you go through at night. If you even sleep, we don't know that.
It's too much.
You see? But you've shown that, you know what, you can succeed academically and in employment, but you can also do better out of employment. It's possible. The bad mentality is to treat that job as a side hustle. Because once you have one side hustle, what's going to happen? You're going to have another one. Before you know, you have about 5 side hustles. You know what that does? It keeps you trapped in poverty for a very long time because you have this divided attention.